Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, students, this is topic 12.9 and this is concerning image formation by lenses. This primarily tries to teach you how do you form an image, यानी lens में कैसे image form होता है. This is just to teach that thing. Image formation by lenses means how image is formed by lenses. यानी लेंस किस तरीके से किसी चीज़ का जो है ना इमेज बनाता है, अक्स बनाता है. You have read earlier that in mirrors, spherical mirrors, all kinds of spherical mirrors, they form image by reflection. Let me pick up the pointer. You know, in mirrors, spherical mirrors and concave mirrors, both these types and all other types of mirrors, they form image by reflection. And in lenses, the difference is that they form image by refraction. Refraction is bending of light when it passes through an opaque material, through a transparent material. So image formation in mirrors is through reflection, in lenses through refraction. Okay, now image is formed by convex lens by using the following rays. Three kinds of rays are used by convex lens or any kind of lens, even concave lens, by these three kinds of, by convex lens and concave lens. Both of them use these three kinds of rays to form an image. The first is, remember this thing, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis passes through the focal point after refraction. जो भी शुआ जो है वो जो principal axis के मुतवाज़ी चल रही होती है, a ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the focal point, वो principal focus में से गुजरती है refraction के बाद. I will just explain this with the help of diagram also. A ray which passes through the optical center, किसी भी लेंस के ऑप्टिकल सेंटर में से ये जो गुजरती है, उसके मिड पॉइंट में से जो गुजरती है, वो सीधी निकल जाती है और इट रिमेन्स अनडेविएटेड. वो रोशनी की शुआ सीधी निकल जाती है और वो अपने रास्ते से बेंड नहीं होती, भटकती नहीं है. I will say again. A ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the focal point after refraction. Refraction के बाद. A ray passing through the optical center passes straight through the lens and remains undeviated. वो अपने रास्ते से bend नहीं होती, भटकती नहीं है. And number three, a ray which passes through the focal point, कोई भी शुआ जो उस लेंस के प्रिंसिपल फोकस में से गुजर रही होती है या उसके फोकल पॉइंट में से, it becomes parallel to the principal axis, वो रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद जो है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के मुतवाज़ी होती है. गोया कि ये पॉइंट नंबर 3 जो है ये पॉइंट नंबर 1 का उलट है. यानी over here a ray passing through the principal axis passes through the focal point after refraction, यानी जो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल है वो फोकल पॉइंट में से गुजरती है और जो रे जो है फोकल पॉइंट से गुजरती है वो रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद पैरेलल होती है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के. एंड इसको आपको मैं यहाँ पे इधर से दिखलाता हूँ ऑन द डायग्राम्स. नाउ दिस इज रे नंबर 1. रे नंबर 1 क्या थी? द रे पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, which a ray parallel to principal axis after refraction passes through the principal focus. ये है convex lens के केस में. ray number 2, a ray which passes through the optical center, वो सीधी निकल जाती है undeviated. तो ये optical center से जो उसके mid point से गुजर रही है वो सीधी ही निकल जाती है. और जो ray जो है वो principal focus में से जो गुजर रही है या focal point से गुजर रही है वो refraction के बाद principal axis के मुतवाज़ी हो जाती है. You have to remember this thing. Now we come, this was the case of a convex lens. This was a convex lens. Convex lens. Now we come to the second case in which we are using a concave lens. How it happens? The principle remains the same. A ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the mirror, if after refraction passes to the focal point. So since in a refraction the principal focus or the focal point is imaginary, therefore it goes and it passes through the principal focus too. A ray which is passing through the optical center after refraction goes straight, and a ray which is passing through the principal focus becomes parallel to the principal. Now it goes over here after refraction like that, and if you extend this ray, this becomes the principal focus. So these are the rays that you will use for forming image formation in case of a convex lens or a concave lens. I will recapitulate again for your convenience. You have to remember this thing if this question comes in the MCQs or in any other form, that how is image formation taking place in case of mirrors. You will say takes place with the help of the phenomena of reflection. And how does it take place in case of lenses? You will say takes place because of the phenomena of refraction. And image formation by convex lens or concave lens uses the following three rays or any two of them. A ray which passes through, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis and passes through the principal focus or the focal point after refraction, coming again, a ray parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the principal focus after refraction. A ray which is passing through the optical center goes straight without deviation, and a ray which passes through the principal focus or the focal point after refraction goes parallel to the principal axis. And these are the three rays which I have drawn for you in case of convex lens. A ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis after refraction goes to the principal focus or the focal point. A ray which is passing through the optical center goes straight undeviated. A ray which passes through the principal focus after refraction becomes parallel. And same is the case in case of the concave mirrors. A ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction goes through the principal focus or the focal point. A ray which passes through the optical center goes straight undeviated, and a ray which is passing through the principal focus after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. I would like you to draw these diagrams, and I would like you to practice them as often as possible, so that when you have to form the image formation by a convex lens, when the object is at different position of the focal length, then you will be able to draw them. Any two of these two rays are important for drawing an image of an object. Thank you.